Hey, what's up, guys? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most majestic and fascinating birds of prey in North America, the red-tailed hawk. These birds are renowned for their incredible hunting skills and aerial acrobatics, and we have got 20 amazing facts to share with you. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. The red-tailed hawk is a large bird of prey, with a wingspan of up to 4 feet. Fact number 2. These hawks are found throughout North America, from Alaska to Central America. Fact number 3. Red-tailed hawks are often seen soaring high in the sky, searching for prey. Fact number 4. These birds are carnivorous and primarily feed on small mammals, such as mice, rabbits, and squirrels. Fact number 5. Red-tailed hawks are known for their distinctive vocalizations, which include a high-pitched scream and a low-pitched screech. Fact number 6. These hawks are monogamous and mate for life. Fact number 7. Red-tailed hawks build their nests in tall trees, on cliffs, or on man-made structures, such as telephone poles and buildings. Fact number 8. These birds are able to see prey from more than 100 feet away, thanks to their excellent eyesight. Fact number 9. Red-tailed hawks are able to fly at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. Fact number 10. These birds are able to dive at incredible speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest animals on the planet. Fact number 11. Red-tailed hawks are territorial and will defend their nests and hunting grounds aggressively. Fact number 12. These birds are able to survive in a wide range of habitats, from deserts to forests to urban areas. Fact number 13. Red-tailed hawks have a lifespan of up to 20 years in the wild. Fact number 14. These birds are important to their ecosystem as they help control rodent populations. Fact number 15. Red-tailed hawks have excellent hearing and are able to detect prey from more than a mile away. Fact number 16. These hawks are able to fly for long periods of time without flapping their wings, thanks to their ability to soar on thermal currents. Fact number 17. Red-tailed hawks are able to adapt their hunting techniques to different prey, making them highly versatile predators. Fact number 18. These birds are able to catch prey that is larger than themselves, thanks to their powerful talons and beaks. Fact number 19. Red-tailed hawks are often used in falconry, a sport that involves training birds of prey to hunt. Fact number 20. These birds are fascinating creatures that have captured the imaginations of people for centuries. Well, that's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you found this video informative. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cool animal content.